Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on checking your NAT type on PlayStation 5. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can check your NAT type by performing a connection test. To do that, from the dashboard of PS5, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Network. Select Connection Status and then click Test Internet Connection. Your connection test will now start. It will show the NAT type as 1, 2 or 3. 1 means your NAT is open, 2 means it's moderate and 3 means it's restricted. That is how you can check your NAT type on PS5. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.